bijoux, non sempre respetta, nam qu'una tradition, nam qu'una religion, a più per nostro numi, bene principi toujours.
Monaco's royal family made a rare public appearance on Wednesday, November 19th, as the principality came together to celebrate its national day. Crowds gathered outside the prince's palace, waving flags and cheering as Prince Albert II and Princess Charlene stepped onto the balcony, joined by their 10-year-old twins, Hereditary Prince Jacques and Princess Gabriella. Dressed in the red and white colors of Monaco, the young royals stood proudly beside their parents, smiling and waving as the crowd called out in celebration. The balcony moment, a beloved tradition, once again highlighted the close connection between the princely family and the people of Monaco. Earlier in the morning, the family attended a religious service at Notre Cathedral, accompanied by Princess Caroline and Princess Stéphanie. The day's events then continued in the Honour Courtyard of the palace, where a ceremonial gathering brought together music, military presentation, and the national anthem. Prince Albert and Prince Jacques sang the anthem side by side, with Jacques wearing a miniature traditional military uniform, performing a formal salute alongside his father, symbolizing his growing role as heir to the throne. Princess Charlene appeared elegant in a white suit with a matching hat, while Princess Gabriella wore a bright red coat with coordinated accessories, together reflecting the colors of the Monegasque flag. Celebrated every year on November 19th, Monaco's National Day remains one of the country's most significant traditions, blending religious heritage, national pride, and the enduring presence of the princely family.
Grande bijoux, non sempre respetta,